What's up everyone, it's Mbam here. Listen, starting a business, it can seem really daunting, right? Especially with how fast things are changing. But I'm here to tell you, right now in 2025, it's totally possible, even if you're starting from zero. In fact, some of the biggest opportunities are perfect for beginners. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 game-changing business ideas that you can start this year. We're talking about building real sustainable income, and the best part? You don't need a ton of money or experience to get started. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to reveal the most powerful business idea I've seen, one that could completely change your life. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with the future, AI-powered digital products. Now, I'm talking about leveraging incredible tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to create your own digital gold mines. Think about it. With ChatGPT, you can literally write an entire ebook on a topic you're passionate about almost effortlessly. And it's not just ebooks. We're talking online courses, workshops, printable designs, stock photos. The possibilities are limitless. And the best part is, once you create these products, they can generate passive income for years to come. Imagine waking up to sales notifications, knowing you put in the work once, and now it's paying you while you sleep. That's the power of digital products in the age of AI. Now let's talk about Midjourney. This AI tool allows you to create stunning high-quality visuals without being a design guru. Need graphics for your ebook? Midjourney. Want to sell unique digital art prints? Midjourney. This is about working smarter, not harder, and AI is the key. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even Amazon have made it easier than ever to sell your digital creations directly to a global audience. You set the prices, you control the marketing, and you keep a significant portion of the profits. No more dealing with inventory, shipping, or overhead costs. This is about building a lean, mean, digital business machine. Imagine generating passive income while you sleep. That's the power of digital products in 2025. Okay, next up, we're diving into the world of niche subscription boxes. Now this is where things get really exciting. Remember, people are passionate about their hobbies, their interests, and their lifestyles. Subscription boxes tap directly into that passion. Imagine this, you're obsessed with, let's say, sustainable living. You're constantly searching for eco-friendly products, right? Well, what if you could get a box delivered to your doorstep every month, filled with curated, eco-conscious goodies? That's the magic of niche subscription boxes. You find a specific audience, you cater to their unique desires, and you create an experience they crave every single month. It could be anything. Vegan snacks, craft coffee, skincare products, the list goes on and on. The key is to find a niche that's not overly saturated, something you're genuinely interested in, and start building a community around it. Platforms like Cratejoy and Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up your online store, manage subscriptions, and handle payments. And the beauty of this business model is the recurring revenue. Those monthly subscriptions add up, creating a predictable and sustainable income stream. Start small, focus on a specific niche, and build a loyal customer base that looks forward to your box every month. Alright, moving on to number 3, and this one's all about leveraging your skills in the digital world. We're talking about virtual assistant services. Listen, in today's fast-paced business environment, everyone from entrepreneurs to CEOs is looking for help. They're drowning in emails, scheduling nightmares, social media management, you name it. That's where you come in. As a virtual assistant, you become their secret weapon, their right-hand person, tackling all those essential tasks that keep businesses running smoothly. The best part? You can do this all remotely, from the comfort of your own home. No more commuting, no more office politics, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to choose your own hours. Now you might be thinking, Graham, I don't have any specific skills. But here's the thing, everyone has valuable skills they can offer. Are you organized? Great, offer calendar management and appointment scheduling. Are you a social media whiz? Fantastic. Manage social media accounts and create engaging content. Are you a whiz with words? Perfect. Offer copywriting and email marketing services. If you're organized and tech-savvy, offering virtual assistant services can be a lucrative way to start your business journey. Chapter 4, Online Tutoring and Coaching. Let's talk about number 4, a business model that's exploded in recent years. Online tutoring and coaching. Now this is perfect for those of you who love to teach, who love to share their knowledge and expertise with the world, and the beauty is, you can literally teach anything. Whether you're a math whiz, a language guru, a coding ninja, or even a life coach, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Zoom and Teachable have made it easier than ever to connect with students worldwide, create engaging online courses, and even host live coaching sessions. And the earning potential is incredible. Think about it, no more limitations of physical location or traditional classroom settings. You can reach students from all walks of life, all over the globe, all while setting your own rates and working on your own terms. The demand for online learning has skyrocketed, and it's only going to continue to grow. So, if you've got a passion for teaching and a knack for explaining things in a clear, concise way, this could be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. Don't underestimate the power of sharing your knowledge, guys. It's a valuable commodity in today's world. Host, on camera, platforms like Zoom and Teachable make it easy to connect with students worldwide, turning your knowledge into income. Chapter 5, Sustainable Product Lines. Alright, moving on to number 5, and this one's all about tapping into a growing market with a conscience, sustainable product lines. Now more than ever, consumers are demanding eco-friendly, ethically sourced, and sustainable products. They want to support businesses that align with their values, and they're willing to pay a premium for it. This is where your entrepreneurial spirit can make a real difference. Think about it. What if you could create a product line that's not only profitable but also good for the planet? We're talking about everything from reusable household items to sustainable fashion, from organic skincare products to eco-friendly cleaning supplies. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easy to showcase your sustainable products to a global audience, and you can even leverage social media to connect with conscious consumers who are actively seeking out businesses like yours. Remember, sustainability is not just a trend, it's a movement. By building a business around eco-conscious values, you're not just creating a profitable venture, you're making a positive impact on the world. By focusing on sustainability, you're not just building a business, you're contributing to a better planet. Chapter 6, Mobile App Development. Okay, let's talk about number 6, Mobile App Development. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, I'm not a tech genius, I can't code, and you know what? That's perfectly fine. In 2025, you don't need to be a coding wizard to bring your app ideas to life. Platforms like AppDriver and Glide have made it incredibly easy to create stunning, functional apps without writing a single line of code. We're talking about drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates, and intuitive tools that empower anyone to become an app creator. Think about it, we live in a mobile-first world. People are glued to their smartphones, using apps for everything from ordering food, to booking flights, to managing their finances. If you can identify a problem that can be solved with an app, a need that's not being met, you've got a goldmine on your hands. And the beauty is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Look at successful apps in your niche, analyze their features, and think about how you can improve upon them or offer something unique. Once you've built your app, you can publish it on the App Store or Google Play Store and start generating revenue through downloads, in-app purchases, or even subscriptions. Even if you're not a developer, tools like AppDriver and Glide allow you to create apps without coding. Chapter 7, AI-Powered Business Solutions. Alright, we've arrived at number 7, the most transformative business idea on this list, and it's all about leveraging the power of AI not just as a tool, but as a business solution in itself. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, isn't AI just for tech giants and Silicon Valley startups? And the answer is a resounding no. AI is rapidly becoming accessible to everyone, and that's creating incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs like you. Think about it. Businesses across every industry are looking for ways to streamline their operations, automate tasks, and gain a competitive edge. They need help with data analysis, customer service, marketing automation, you name it, and that's where you come in. By offering AI-powered business solutions, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of this technological revolution. Now you might be wondering, how can I possibly offer AI solutions without being a data scientist? And the answer is, you don't have to be. There are countless AI platforms and tools available that allow you to harness the power of AI without needing a PhD in computer science. For example, you could specialize in AI-powered marketing automation, helping businesses optimize their ad campaigns and reach their target audience more effectively. Or you could focus on AI-driven customer service, creating chatbots and virtual assistants that provide instant support and improve customer satisfaction. The key is to identify a specific niche where AI can provide real value and become an expert in that area. By offering AI-driven solutions, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of technological innovation. There you have it, 7 game-changing business ideas that can take you from zero to entrepreneur in 2025. Remember, the key is to choose an idea that resonates with your passions, your skills, and your vision for the future. Don't be afraid to start small, to experiment, and to learn as you go. The most important step is to take action. The world of entrepreneurship is waiting for you, and the possibilities are limitless. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these business ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below and let's start a conversation. And hey, while you're down there, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future videos. I'm constantly sharing valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom and live your best life. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one.